Professional layouts often feel polished because they use repetition to create visual harmony. Today, how to design harmonious frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start with a warm off-white background and apply a soft neutral gradient. Insert 4 portrait frames and arrange them with equal spacing throughout the design. Upload your images and place them into the frames, adjusting crops carefully for consistency. Increase the size of the first frame slightly to establish hierarchy. Apply gentle shadows to all frames and reduce their intensity until they remain subtle. Add thin border accents.